everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on our elbow strike. We're going to work on two variations. The first is our rear elbow strike. Say, Dwi Paul Koop Kong Yuck.
Dwi Paul Koop Kong Yuck, sir.
One more time. Dwi Paul Koop Kong Yuck.
Dwi Paul Koop Kong Yuck.
Good. Rear elbow strike. So this part we're actually focusing on the pointy part of our elbow. So, and then we are going to get into a sideways horse stance, body position. And now from here, he's going to take the hand that's furthest away from the elbow, and he's going to make a cap on top of it. He's going to reinforce that. Good. Now he's going to use his waist and momentum to drive this forward. Height! Aye! And reset once more. Ready? Height! Aye! Good. This is a really good use for a self-defense elbow to throw somebody's stomach or something to the back to get away in a quick situation. Opposite side. Ready? Height! Aye! Height! Aye! Good. Now we're going to demonstrate it on the pad. Ready? Height! Aye! Height! Aye! Good. And that is our first elbow variation. Let's work on our second elbow variation, which is the cutting elbow, or just a Paul Koop Kong Yuck.
Paul Koop Kong Yuck, sir.
Once more, Paul Koop Kong Yuck.
Paul Koop Kong Yuck.
Good. So with the cutting elbow, he's going to stand like we are not necessarily focusing on the elbow. We're focusing on the forearm, like the 4 inches from the elbow to the forearm, right here. So this part of the arm is what we're working on. That's why it cuts. The elbow lacerates the skin, and then the rest of the stuff continues with momentum to damage. So this is a swinging style motion. So what I want you to do right now before we add stance, chamber that hand and put the other hand on top like this. And just practice pull and twist. Switch, pull and twist. Switch, pull and twist. Switch, pull and twist. Good. Now in a stance, we're going to go more straight shoulders so that we have better stability. So he's going to step forward into that horse stance, and then he's going to twist to smash. Very good. And reset once more. Height! Height! Good. And reset. Opposite side. Ready. Step. Twist and smash. Height! Good. Once more. Height! Height! Good. And this is going to be thrown specifically to the sides of the face or straight to the front of the body from a front position. And so we will demonstrate it with the front of the body. Height! Height! Good. And reset. Height! Height! Good. And now we're going to pretend that this is face. Ready? Height! Height! Good. And this can also just come from a natural guard position and look like a hook, but change to an elbow. Height! Good. Height! Height! Good. So, combative position or traditional position. Very good. And that is our elbow, both variations, or Paul Koop Kong Yuck in Korean. Practice what you learned. Make it rock.